Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing the assets and tools. Confirm your iPhone model and iOS version, then open shortcuts and a photo editor. Once you have a 512x 512 PNG with transparent background, import it into Photos. Next, make a new shortcut to convert the image into a sticker or custom emoji using the app's export options. Make sure to name files clearly. This saves time when assigning to keyboard or messages. Follow these first actions precisely to avoid file format issues later. Now you refine and create the emoji itself. You'll crop and resize inside shortcuts or your editor, converting to the required format, hike for live stickering or PNG for static emoji. This keeps transparency. Then erase or feather edges by 1 to 3 pixels so the icon reads at small sizes. Once done, batch export variants for light and dark backgrounds and test at 40 to 60 pixels to confirm clarity. If a detail is lost, increase contrast and simplify shapes before re-exporting. Finish by installing and assigning the emoji to your keyboard or Messages app. You can add it through settings or a supported third-party keyboard, or use it as a sticker in Messages and Mail. Assign it as a contact image to test sizing. If something fails, check the image format and dimensions first, then clear app cache and restart the app or device. Make sure file names have no special characters and re-export at 512px if needed. This one troubleshooting step solves most visibility.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.